States.
It's another forum to examine the several perspectives towards transforming Nigeria in the various areas limiting the country's progress through the engagement of youth, put together by the Social Science Student Association of the University of Jos.
The issues about not knowing what we sit on is also the fault of our allies. A lot of them seated on this high table. They have been very economical. With the truth.
The keynote address, as delivered by Major Hamza Al Mustapha, former Chief Security Officer to the late military head of state General Sani Abacha, centered on the need for genuine leadership in the country.
Every president that came to Nigeria had an opportunity of presenting himself, of the vision and the mission before him, which was the yardstick of acceptance of that leadership. We saw promises made that were lofty, hopes of the country, and the confidence of people were given for it to be resuscitated. But at the end of the day, when history comes to be written, there are two types of histories.
Other speakers agree that there is a need for the youth to equip themselves for leadership positions.
You discuss the value that you have to provide in leadership. It's key. So as leaders, as youths, we are leaders in our various rights.
Our students are critical about everything but for the development and progress of our society.
The public lecture series titled Leadership and Governance, a panacea towards Nigeria's quest for positive change, also featured awards presentations to some individuals who contributed to the development of the nation.